This is our last week together. We're going to be going over our final exam. It's been great having everybody together in this class. We're going to go ahead and open up with our final exam week. We've got a review set in place for you here. And your question bank is set as well. I think there's about 150 something questions. And you get a few different options to play a game, flashcards, write in the blank, spell it, tests, matching, gravity is the game. Live options is only can be run by me or your instructor. But flashcards are pretty simple. You may need to tinker around with them to get them to run right, but as we've got this one, the FRE rule applies to civil cases only. True or false. Give you a couple of seconds here. The instructions down the bottom says click to flip. So if we want to see the answer is false. The Canadian Sedona principles state that all electronic devices or electronic evidence is discoverable, true or false. Give you a couple of seconds. That is true. And so that is the basics of that one. There's 133, I apologize, about 150, 133 questions for you to go over. If you don't like that method, there is the spelling test, match, gravity, right. And then the learn is new, so I'm not exactly familiar with this one. This is new. Oh, okay. So that was that. All right. I guess it's just a little small game. All right. But that is your review. You can do that anytime, day or night, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. No password to hold you back on that one. The final exam, you get one attempt. You do need to know the password, and the time limit is 3 hours. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at our password. Our password is CAINE, C-A-I-N-E, Computer Aided Investigative Network Analysis. Or, it's an open source software investigative environment. That's what it always gets me. The computer aided investigative environment. Really, really unique, really fun, really easy to use forensic software with a ton of software for that. There's a quick video down here somewhere that shows you how to sort of use it and run it. When you use it and burn it to a USB or CD, you actually get a Windows version of this called UFO, or United Forensics something or other. Oh, Ultimate Forensics Outflow, where you can see exactly, I mean, there's a ton of information here. There's just so much that we were unable to cover that you should be able to go over in more detail when you go into your computer network or computer forensics course. So if you have time, CAINE, C-A-I-N-E -live.net, tons of fun, really cool stuff. But for the most part, CAINE in all capital letters is your final exam password. That will go out to you guys in this video here. And that is it. It's been great having you guys. There will probably be a forum coming up here to just sort of talk about what you learned, what you enjoyed, what you didn't enjoy. And that will be your last sort of discussion with us. That one, the discussion rules won't apply there as far as length and reply. but we're just seeing participation there. All right, everybody. Thank you again for coming to our Intro to Original Forensics class. You have a great rest of your career.